sToolTracker needs series numbers to be defined for its tools and toolbar. To get started, open up the sToolTracker configuration page. Now we select the series numbers to use for the tool and toolbar. We defined these series numbers in the previous video, so please go back and take a look at that if you've not already done so. Here we select tools and toolbar. We can also define the expire period and unused period for our tools which appear in the reports or dashboard. Here we've defined an expire period of 30 days. That means any report we generate will list all tools which are going to expire within the next 30 days. Also, we can define the unused period. This means any tools which are not used within that period of time will also be displayed in a report. In this context, we've entered 30 days.